Hello guys, it's John here again. As promised in one of the videos previous to this, I'm going to open this without showing you my address. This has come from Anna Green. She's from Bristol. I was in Bristol last Friday and only drove through and stopped off and was in Bristol on the Sunday before I drove up to Pembrokeshire, which was a lovely holiday. But I really need to spend more time in Bristol because a lot of my family were born in that area. So, right, so here we go. Let's get this opened. It's going to be a bit of a task. I'm going to pause the video, one sec. I don't even know if this is... this is not music related. I have been collecting these books lately, mainly for pictures. And no, don't get any ideas. I was really pleased that they wrapped it well, because the last thing I bought didn't have any bubble wrap in it for a book. I recently, one sec, I recently got this, right, in the 20s, Bristol in the 20s. And I got this now. This is the one that's I've just opened up. Bristol suburbs in the 20s and 30s. This helps me out with my research for genealogy and places. So this is really exciting for me, even though it might not be exciting for you. I love this sort of shit. So yeah, yes, I'm going to look at this instead of playing, records, because this floats my boat just as much as records. Let me know in the comments what else floats your boat, like you get excited about, other than just listening to music. Let me know in the comments. I'm chuffed to bits, but I still haven't got that Def Leppard single, Just Like 73 yet. I don't know where it is. So I'm going to go and chase that up again. See you guys. Cheers for watching. Keep rocking and listening to whatever it is you're listening to and reading. There we go. Thank you. See you guys. You weren't expecting that, were you? Neither was I. Otherwise I wouldn't have done this video. Right, laters.